Problem number 1. The length of one side of each triangle is given. Find the lengths of the other two sides in simplest radical form. In triangle number 1, which is a 45, 45, 90 degree triangle, the length of one leg of the triangle is 6, which is MN. PM is the other leg of the triangle, and you notice on the illustration that the tick marks indicate that the two line segments are congruent. Therefore, PM is also equal to 6. PN, which is the hypotenuse of this right triangle, is the length is basically taking the leg and multiplying that by the square root of 2. So we go 6 square root of 2. That's in radical form. If I were to go ahead and calculate the approximate decimal number or representation of that, I would go 6 times the square root of 2, which turns out to be 8.49. So this is going to be approximately, PN would be approximately 8.49. That's problem number 1. On number 2, which is a 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, ST is 5. 5 is the short side. Therefore, the hypotenuse is going to be twice that amount. So you'd go 2 times 5, which would give you 10. So TU is equal to 10. And SU is simply going to be the short leg times the square root of 3. So we would go 5 times the square root of 3. 5 times the square root of 3, which if I were to do the decimal approximation, I would go 5 times the square root of 3, gives me approximately 8.66. So that is approximately 8.66.